Hi and welcome to Nice Monkey Tech. I'm Stephen and today we are going to be building the Luke Skywalker Red 5 helmet. That one there or that one there, whichever one you want to look at. A great little build, but more about that after the great little build. So we'll do a speed build, me building this, and then afterwards, or if you would like to skip to the end, afterwards we'll have a bit of chat about a few things I found good and not so good. Anyway, here's the footage. you enjoyed that little bit of footage there. So the Red 5 helmet, yes, excellent, a good build, and a very, what I would like, a slightly strategic build actually. It's the first time I've ever built a helmet or a bust from Lego. This is the only one I really like, which is probably why I've never already built one. There's a lot of work goes into the stand before you even get to the helmet. A good bit of time is spent on the stand, building the stand, which obviously gives you a bit of reassurance that the stand is extremely well built. The helmet itself is extremely well detailed. It does have a few fiddly bits here and there. There's a few bits in the instructions that are slightly missed. Had to go back and do again because I've got a stud wrong somewhere here and there. So I do recommend using the app on a tablet, on a decent large screen tablet, because at least you can zoom in and you can zoom back out, and it just makes it a little bit easier to build and a little bit more precise about where parts go. Other than that, a good build. Took me quite a while. I did do this in bits. The biggest problem I actually had was putting these in. They were a bit fiddly for me. Don't know why. They just were. But other than that, an absolutely great build. And do you know what I like most about it? It looks amazing. It's not all black, it's not all grey, it's not blah 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 like a lot of them are. This one actually plenty of colour, and it absolutely looks amazing. This one is my favourite up till now. But I do have a few more coming, some older builds and some new releases from Lego, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe, like, tick notifications, all that stuff if you want, for more Lego stuff in the future, and obviously a few more tech videos. So I've been Stephen, this was Ice Monkey Tech. Take care, and I'll see you all in the next video.